In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create, review, and submit a CFPB complaint directly from your Creditfixrr dispute letter dashboard. Click the complaints icon on the dispute letter card to access or manage your complaints. Select the CFPB option to start submitting a complaint about your credit report. Next, click the Create CFPB Complaint button to begin preparing your dispute submission. Our AI complaints engine will dynamically generate a CFPB complaint based on the specific violations found on your credit report. After your complaint is created, click the View button to review the details and guidance for submitting a CFPB complaint. Click Close to exit the complaints window and return to the dashboard. Great work! You've successfully generated your CFPB complaint. You can now submit your issue online. Simply follow the provided link to access the official CFPB complaint portal.